Hi, second grade. I wanted to just reach out to you guys and talk to you about our next lesson. So we're going to be on page 10, City Frog. I don't want to read the story to you. You can do that on your own, but I wanted to talk to you about a few things that are in there. Some of it is actually stuff we've already learned, so it won't be too difficult to do. I'm sorry, I have some very high maintenance cats that apparently need my attention right now. Like messing with my curtains and climbing on the keyboards. I don't know. All right, so the first one we're going to come across is that three-letter I, the IGH. We have the word right, which is something that you are allowed, or maybe a direction. It's not the when you use your pencil and write. This is like right over there, or I am going to turn right. It's the direction, or it's also you have the right to eat your vegetables, something like that. It's like what you're allowed to do. So that three-letter I, IGH, I three-letter I makes the I sound. So I t is that word, right. The next thing I wanted to talk to you about is the word hello. Hello, it's an interesting word. It's got this O here at the end that really says its name, hello. And right here in between these two is where you break up the syllables. Hello, hello, hello is your word. So those are the two. That is what I wanted to talk to you about those. And then we have this word. It's a compound word. We talked a lot about compound words the first couple of lessons. This word is maybe. So let me ask you a question. If you have the word maybe, what are the two different words? I'm going to give you a second to think about it. Did you see it was may and be? Maybe. May and be put together. May means like something, or be, and be means being somewhere. Well, maybe we can put it together. It's one word. Maybe. The next thing I wanted to do is talk to you about some suffixes. Suffix means ending, words that come, sounds that come at the end. So we have this word read. Let's just take the word read. And I'm going to write it here, read. If I have read and I add an S to it, it is she reads the story. He reads his Bible. She reads to her mom. He reads to his papa. So those are the different ones that you can use with the S. That's a suffix, the ending S. Or I can add ing, ing. She is reading her Bible. He is reading the story. So that ing is making it an actual happening. Those endings are good. The main word, though, is read. So it's whatever you're changing read to be, whether it's happening now, it happened before, it happened yesterday, it happens tomorrow. You have those different endings to tell us about it. And then the last one I wanted to talk to you about is there's 3 M's, and it goes like this. It's like something you can say when you're thinking, or maybe it tastes good. 3 M's together like this, looks like this. M dash M dash M. That is a sound. Lots of different things make sounds, and we have lots of different ways to write them. That's the way we write that sound. So as you're reading the story, if you come across anything that you see that we talked about today, go ahead and underline it. It'll help you to pay attention to what you're reading. And then also, if you can look at the sounds. So if you see the word reading, what's the suffix for that word? If you see the word sleeping, what's the ending for that word? If you see the word she jumps is the word. What's the suffix? What's the base word for that? Those are things that I want you to see as you're reading so that you can start paying attention to that. Okay, have a good one. I hope this is good for you. This is lesson 10, page 10, the City Frog. See ya.